It looks a bit like multiple of
that's
them.
What you call needing
Cluster
to go.
craft.
Yeah. When you gotta go, you gotta go. But it's supposed to be lucky, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
So we're gonna have some luck today.
well, the funny thing is, we were just talking and we were like, "Do you like toilet humour?"
And we literally had
Yeah. Mum did the loudest scream in the world. She literally screamed for like 10 seconds. This is one crazy life we have.
Oh, yeah, honestly.
I think we can put this on YouTube. That's our
I'm embarrassed.
that's our highlight of the day.
I'm a little embarrassed of the cut of a car seat.
I know.
It's like we like it on there.
Yeah.